warning message. The Forest Service Sawtooth Avalanche Center in Ketchum, Idaho has issued a backcountry avalanche warning. This message is for the avalanche danger is high. Heavy snowfall and wind-driven snow are overloading a weak snowpack. Locations affected include the Sawtooths, White Clouds, Smokies, Boulders, and Pioneers, including the mountains near Atlanta, Stanley, Smiley Creek, Galena Summit, and Willow Creek Summit. The timing is for an effective Mountain Standard Time, Saturday, 03:00 Mountain Standard Time. Impacts, natural and human-triggered avalanches large enough to bury people, snap trees, or destroy structures are very likely to occur. Avalanches may strike roadways, trails, and buildings in the valley bottom. Very dangerous avalanche conditions exist. Travel in avalanche terrain is not recommended. Stay off and out from below steep slopes steeper than about 30 degrees. Avalanches may be triggered remotely from flat terrain above, below, and to the sides of steep slopes. Consult www.sawtoothavalanche.com or www.avalanche.org.
We're so fucking back, baby!
Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area of this or any avalanche center. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the lower treasure.
We're so back, baby. Yes.